These aliens are first-timers on Earth. They are looking a bit jet-lagged, but still good. Especially if one knows how a mirror works. The concept of money is hard to get behind. Fortunately, the nice woman has a lot of experience with tourists. There's a lot to learn from the locals. As they adapt to earthly customs, they are quickly becoming trendsetters. So much so that the humans seem to feel threatened by their competence. The smell of roses reminds the aliens of their home planet. This ignorance is just rude. Finally, they get a chance to put what they learned about human children to the test. So fun.
No party like a techno party.
They think they found the spaceship.